Let me see.
I feel hair texture so much is not required.
So here only.
here.
Yeah.
I remember in school bus once a boy asked me कि क्या करना है आगे जाके, and I was like पता नहीं क्या करना है, जो भी करना है कुछ ऐसा करूँगी कि लोग याद रखेंगे. Bye everyone.
Let's make it fun.
I used to ask a lot of questions. मैं बहुत सवाल पूछती थी कि ऐसा क्यों करना है, ऐसा क्यों नहीं करना है. तो आई थिंक मेरी मदर बहुत परेशान रहती थी मुझसे कि ये बहस बहुत करती है यार, पता नहीं है कि इसको बोले तो क्या बोले, करना तो इसने वही है जो इसने करना है. कुछ भी था, एक चीज तो फॉर श्योर थी, इसको एक्टिंग नहीं करनी है. My father is very conventional, as old school as it gets. He gave up the business of the family to his brother because he wanted to have a very safe paycheck आना चाहिए महीने के end में type of life. Modeling करनी start करी, which was purely to get extra money, and that was against my father's wish. I remember he had sleepless nights. छोड़ के चली गई एजुकेशन तो फिर मतलब what will happen? She'll not do her bachelor. She's in BTech CSC, which is a pretty prestigious degree. मेरा मकसद सिर्फ ये था मॉडलिंग करने का because I thought this is one profession I can manage with my college.
Hiding the modeling thing was only from my dad. My mom and I used to be very excited about it. Like whenever the pictures used to come out, my mom especially used to like take all the cuttings and all and put it in a book of that she had.
To just show it to my father and my family कि अगर मैं चाहूँ तो मैं कोई रेगुलर तरह की जॉब कर सकती हूँ. इन्फोसिस पहली कंपनी आई थी कॉलेज में प्लेसमेंट के लिए. I sat, I qualified and I said I am not sitting in any other company. मुझे नहीं करनी है 9 to 5 नौकरी. He didn't get it until he saw that I am not leaving education. मेरे नंबर अभी भी उतने आ रहे हैं जितने पहले आते थे. And at the same time he used to see me on big hoardings. बड़े बड़े ब्रांड, reputed brands. Then probably he started seeing modeling in a better light. I went for Miss India as well in third year in college.
I actually was very happy when she went for Miss India because I got the whole room to myself. But I was also very excited with what is happening there because it was also new for us because nobody has like ever gone to Bombay and gone for like 1 month with Miss India was being such a huge thing for us at that time.
Miss India से बाहर निकल के I gave my CAT exam. That was the biggest downer for me because I've never failed an exam that I really wanted to get through. Because of modeling, I was getting a lot of movie offers, and the offers I was getting from South were far more lucrative. Then I thought कि ठीक है, एक साल के लिए टाइम पास करते हैं थोड़ी देर, कुछ सीखने को ही मिलेगा नया. I took my MBA prep books. I went to South. I signed one Tamil, one Telugu film together. I was shuttling between both the states and shooting. And obviously I had no clue about acting. Forget about language. That was like so difficult. धीरे धीरे करके जब वो पिक्चरें रिलीज हुई, they both became big hits. Like suddenly they made me something else overnight in those states. First my Telugu one released and I had signed 3 more films उसके release होने से पहले ही तेलुगु में because वो जो director राघवेंद्र राव sir who were launching me is known to launch actresses like Sridevi, Jayasudha. I mean the ones who made it really big. He's known as a man with Midas touch. So people were very inquisitive to know that who is this new girl he's launching after so many years. जब Tamil picture release हुई, that won 6 national awards that year. So when people ask me when did you want to become an actor, I always say after my first film released.
I remember I was in Hyderabad and my mom was there and me and mom were not understanding anything but we were just very interested in looking at how Taapsee was looking on screen.
Big dip happened in the beginning of my career. मेरी 3-4 फिल्में नहीं चली बैक टू बैक. लोग बोलने लग गए कि ये तो बैड लक चार्म है. आयरन लेग का टैग दे दिया था मुझे तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के अंदर. एंड इट वाज वेरी अपसेटिंग बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर कॉल्ड अ बैड लक चार्म just because you had 5-6 scenes in the film and 2-3 songs and you are held responsible कि तुम्हारी वजह से पिक्चर नहीं चली क्योंकि तुम अपशगुन हो. Every article that used to come out used to be bad luck. I mean, what do you really do when you're called a walking, talking bad luck? I hope that never happens with any other girl. When you're called bad luck for not doing anything in the film for that matter. I was not there in the scripting stage. I was not there in the film as much, but I am the one responsible for it, which is really sad. पता नहीं था कि किसको क्या बोलूँ. अगर घर पे बोलती तो शायद दिल से come back, which was a fear. I was like, I don't want to give up so easy. प्रॉब्लम क्या थी कि देयर इज वन थिंग दैट इज एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ यू कि तुम्हें ऐसा करना चाहिए अगर तुम्हें टॉप हीरोइन बनना है, और एक होता है कि तुम्हें क्या खुशी मिल रही है करने में. तो स्टार्टिंग में एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि तुम बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स के साथ काम करोगे तो ही तुम्हारे को मतलब बड़ी हीरोइन माना जाएगा. आई नो आई एम ऑनेस्टली नॉट कन्वेंशनली एज diva looking as a lot of other beautiful actresses in the country, and so वो mandate सा लगने लग गया. And I had only done high commercial films in South, तो ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने बड़ी ही acting talent दिखाने वाली पिक्चरें पहले करी हूँ for me to even know कि मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. Many other actresses had good contacts and people who knew in the industry for them to get good work. I had none of them. मेरे पास अगर रेगुलर वे नहीं था, पता था दूसरा रास्ता है जो शायद थोड़ा लंबा है बट उसकी नींव बहुत स्ट्रांग होने वाली है, क्योंकि कोई कॉन्टैक्ट से नहीं बना है, वो किसी और के नाम की वजह से नहीं बना है.
3, 2, 1, switch!
Ask me कि but you choose the kind of roles you choose, ऐसा क्यों, क्या. मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं था. So I had to choose roles जो शायद conventionally हीरोइन ने नहीं लेंगी, but I knew कि if I'm good at it लोग मुझे भूलेंगे नहीं. So I started from there. I took up Baby in which there was a 10-minute role. मुझे पता है कितने लोगों ने बोला था पता नहीं अक्षय कुमार की फिल्म में कोई दिखेगा भी नहीं. और the happiness I got after doing that was like कि हाँ कुछ किया है, और वो ऐसा किया है कि थिएटर से निकलने के बाद लोग मेरे को याद रखेंगे. दैट हैज बिकम द बेस लाइन फॉर चूजिंग ऑल द फिल्म्स आई हैव चोजन. वो नाम जो है, चाहे वो मीनल अरोड़ा हो, चाहे वो शबाना हो, चाहे वो रूमी हो, चाहे वो आरती मोहम्मद हो, बट यू विल रिमेंबर दीज नेम्स बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्पैक्ट द कैरेक्टर हैज. I still face rejection in Bollywood. They'll be more on the lines of किसी और ने phone करके किसी को recommend कर दिया, so I don't have anybody calling on my behalf. So I end up making calls myself to directors, telling them sir कि I would love to work with you. I think I've learned to live with it. Glass को आधा full देखे तो better है आधे empty से. कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे जो शायद बहुत dreams and passion लेके आते हैं, they keep failing, they still keep going on. मैंने तो ये plan भी नहीं किया था, तो passion भी नहीं था. People still ask me, why did you do Judwaa 2? It is unlike you to do. I was like, before you slot me as someone who does only unconventional roles, I just want to show you that I can do this also if need be. I always give this credit to Judwaa 2. People come up to me with mainstream films where I'm not always a gaon ki ladki. I might be Rumi who just wears salwar kameez in an entire film, but you can still look at her and say that's quite sexy to carry that attitude. I think confidence is what makes you really sexy. एक्टिंग मेरे लिए एक जॉब है. मैं सुबह काम पे जाती हूँ, उसके बाद आके मेरी लाइफ है एक्टिंग के आगे. आई थॉट ओके लेट्स डू समथिंग एल्स अलोंग साइड विच इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एक्टिंग, एंड इंटेंशनली सो. आई हैव अ फ्रेंड फारा who used to be a wedding planner in a big company. We both decided to come together, start this new company. And my sister was always inclined towards event management and all. So she was the one who was going to run the company on my behalf on ground. So we collaborated. We started this company called The Wedding Factory. I think 3 years of Wedding Factory finished and I wanted to say, okay, now what? Let's get into something else, which is again going to be different from acting. मैं हर तरह की स्पोर्ट्स खेल लेती हूँ for the sake of fun. मैं सोचा कि why not extend my love towards sports?
I would like to invite Taapsee upon stage, जो इस टीम की ओनर है.
तो जो हमारी डोमेस्टिक लीग है, द प्रीमियर बैडमिंटन लीग, that was growing slowly. 4th season में I ended up buying the Pune team. I've named it Pune 7 Aces.
It's a very new domain for me, इसी टीम को ओन करना. आज तक सिर्फ आप सबकी तरह स्पेक्टेटर बन के खड़ी हुई हूँ क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स को बहुत पसंद करती हूँ. पहली बार आई एम गेटिंग इनटू द शूज ऑफ बीइंग अ टीम ओनर, व्हिच इज वेरी स्कैरी एंड मतलब बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाली बात है, स्पेशली बिकॉज यू नो द पीपल ऑफ पुणे आर गोइंग टू एक्सपेक्ट अ लॉट आउट ऑफ द टीम. Some is
over 4-6.
I would really like to tell all the women out there, समझ लो कि लोग बोलेंगे कुछ भी करोगे, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हें ऐसे नहीं करना है. किसने बनाया रूल किसी को नहीं पता. एक बार क्वेश्चन करो लॉजिक क्यों, तो किसी को नहीं पता. सो जब तक तुम्हारे को आंसर, लॉजिकल आंसर नहीं मिले अपने क्वेश्चन का, तब तक उस चीज को एक्सेप्ट मत करना. एक ही लाइफ है, लिव इट, डोंट सर्वाइव इट. जो तुम्हारे में मन में है वो करो. ज्यादा से क्या होगा, फेल हो गए ना, मरोगे थोड़ी ना यार, मतलब जस्ट लूज और फेल, इट्स ओके.